Dear learners, this festival season, there is no barriers for your learning. Learn from anytime, anywhere. And today we are happy to share some of the glimpse of our students.
We have learned, if you remember in the last text, we were using some verbs. For example, there was this verb of spazieren gehen, remember? In this text which we have done last time. Spazieren gehen is the verb. When she was saying we used to go to the sea every Sunday with the dog, right?
Yeah.
So, but the way the verb was used in the text was not together. It was not that spazieren gehen was used as a word, right? It was used, ich gehe spazieren. Na? That was, wir gehen am Sonntag spazieren. Okay? They have used that verb twice actually. Ich gehe mit den Freundinnen spazieren. That is also used. That is. So what is the different thing? These concepts, see, what we have done, it's one word, it's a verb. But we call these verbs as a trennbaren verb.